Well, Heidi there, pluckers. I was all fingers back with you again for what will be hopefully another interesting ditty for all you Beatles fans out there. Of course, this is the instrumental guitar part at the end of Michelle. Okay, this is in addition to my update to my lesson I did probably 5 or 6 years ago now, where I actually did a lesson on the song, but I didn't actually include the solo at the end, so this is it, somewhat late, but later than never. So in my lesson I did the song in the key of E to make things a little bit easier on the chord side of things, because the original version is in the key of F, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to do the solo in the key of E as well. If you want to play it in the key of the record, then put a capo on the first fret and just use exactly the same fret positions but relative to the capo. Okay, so just move it all up one note. Okay, so the solo itself, right, so the chords for the solo, basically it's a verse. The chord behind, the rhythm behind it chord wise is the same as a verse. Okay, right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully try and break this down for you into little bits. Okay, so the first bit is okay, so that starts on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, then you leave a minute gap and then pause, then you hit it again, go up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string, so and then you play the 1st fret of the 3rd string, G string. Right? Got that? Then we do another like a 3-note little run. 2nd on the 3rd, 4th on the 3rd, up to the 5th on the 3rd. So now you've got this. As soon as you've hit that 5th fret of the 3rd string there, as soon as you've hit that, you slide it off and then play the open 3rd G string. Okay, so far, first phrase. Very slowly. Next phrase starts on the 4th fret of the D string, minute gap and then another one on the same note, open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 4th, D string open. Right, so okay, got that, so the whole thing so far. Next phrase is this. That's the 2nd on the 4th, a little bit of a gap and then hit it again, up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, open 3rd, then the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string. So far the whole thing. And then 1st fret, 4th string. That finishes that little phrase off, so far. Next phrase, that's again the 4th fret on the A string, 5th string, open 3rd, the G string, 2nd on the 4th, 1st fret of the 4th, So far, whole thing. And finally, that. So second on the fourth, second on the fifth, A string, sorry. Second on the fifth, fourth on the fifth, so first on the fourth, right? Second on the fourth, fourth on the fourth, and then back to the second on the fourth. And basically you repeat the whole thing again, okay? Right then, boys and girls, having done that, we'll just do the whole thing slowly, okay? So right from the beginning, okay, here we go. Okay, just carry on practicing that until you get up to the right speed,